Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan ground beef. To start, gather your key ingredients: 1 cup of textured vegetable protein, or TVP, and 1.5 cups of hot vegetable broth. You'll also need a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. These foundational elements are crucial for building a savory and satisfying base for your plant-based meal. Begin by rehydrating your 1 cup of TVP in the hot vegetable broth for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to soften and expand. While that soaks, sauté 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add your rehydrated TVP to the pan, stirring well to combine with the aromatics and spices. To achieve that perfect crumbly texture, use a spatula to break up the TVP as it cooks. Continue to sauté for 8 to 10 minutes, allowing it to brown slightly, which deepens the flavor significantly. Incorporate your tablespoon of soy sauce, teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half teaspoon of garlic powder, ensuring even distribution. A dash of liquid smoke can also enhance that meaty aroma. This versatile vegan ground beef is perfect for tacos, pasta sauces, chili, or even as a topping for nachos. Once cooked, it can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or frozen for up to 3 months. Feel free to experiment with different herbs and spices, like a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or a pinch of oregano, to customize it for any cuisine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.